Every election promises change, yet every day, life for many South Africans feels stuck. When institutions weaken slowly, people adjust until one day the consequences become impossible to ignore. If current political trends continue, the next 5 years may look very different from what most expect. Because as we speak, currently the ANC, the once dominant and mighty African National Congress, is now sitting at 40% of the electoral share. And this is because of the ANC's own failings, meaning it's because of the ANC's own doing.